told her stop by me. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her me we had to reach. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to get. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can toss to the lid.
Bitch, I'm flexing. I ain't got time to be texting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shatari. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. So we're gonna be doing a wig install today. So this wig is from JULIAHAIR. Okay, so this is their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in 24 inches. There's quite a bit of parting space in the middle, and then the parting is a little bit limited on the sides, but it does come with combs and adjustable straps in the back. So I want to try something new today. I'm going to actually try to cut the lace off first and then install it. I've done this before, but I've only done it with wigs that I installed prior to the reinstall. So I did go in and bleach the knots and pluck the hairline. So this is just how everything is looking. It's looking really, really good. This is HD lace, they say. So I'm going to see if this is some real HD lace. So I'm about to cut this lace off really quick and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so jumping right into the install, I went off and cut my lace off camera. Now I'm just making sure the wig fits on both sides of my ears, making sure I didn't cut too much lace off, and making sure the wig will just lay properly. So we're going to be doing a glueless install today. I'm going to be using my Bedhead Hard Head hairspray, and I'm just clipping all of the hair back out of the way. And I'm going to be using the hairspray and my blow dryer on high heat to melt this lace down into my skin. And I'm going to be taking my rat tail comb to push the lace a little bit further into my skin. Here I'm noticing that I did cut the lace kind of wonky. It is kind of uneven in the front. The second time I reinstalled this wig, I just fixed that. But once I did my baby hairs and everything, you couldn't even tell. So while doing this, you want to just make sure you do it in section by section. I went on and did the middle first, and I'm doing the side now. Remember to spray a little bit and have your blow dryer handy, so as soon as you spray it, you can blow dry that lace right into place. And just so the hairspray isn't running all over your makeup and all over your face, because using hairspray to melt your wigs down can be very, very messy. So for the part near my ear tabs, I'm just taking some of that hair down and basically adding pressure to that part just to make it easier for the sides to stick down. And that is going to be my sideburn baby hair part anyway, so I'm just molding that down in the same process. Again, I'm using my blow dryer on high heat and using my rat tail comb to press that lace down into my skin. So basically, you just want to do the same thing on the other side. It's very self-explanatory. It's probably the fastest, easiest way to install your wigs when your lace is already cut. I'm just going to have you guys watch the process, and I will be back with my commentary when I'm finished.
The number you have reached is not in service. Please check the number or try your call again. This is a recording.
My cousins are crazy, my cousin like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 2, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's on and twisted. Book for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. I produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she had it down, so she got on my city. I'm on the records, the Army, the Navy. They pay me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. Like Tracy and Katie, trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. I went to my favor. Nobody said move up, got no kid. Tell them I told no stones, please. Soon as I knew you go, leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cardiac glasses, I wasn't even Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pick what I keep, tryna steal my moves. 500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. Same crazy to make me come finish you. But he been trying to do like a fool. Real dope boy.
So you guys, I do not know what happened to the clip of me actually talking about the hair, like the ending clip showing the final result. So I just added some clips in here to show you guys how the wig came out. Again, this was Julia's hair 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. I believe the wig was about 24 or 26 inches. I did go in and add this chocolate brown ombre myself. The hair was extremely soft and silky. The lace was super easy to melt into my skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.